मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण वर्ग 10वा या वर्गाची पहिली पोयम अभ्यासणार आहोत. तर या कवितेचं नाव असं आहे अ टीनएजर्स प्रेयर. व्हॉट डज द वर्ड टीनएजर्स मीन्स? A person who is 13 to 19 years of age is called teenagers. तर याचं मराठीमध्ये टायटल असं होईल किशोर वयीनांची प्रार्थना. The poet of the poem is by J. Morse. तर किशोरवयीनची प्रार्थना म्हणजे 13 ते 19 वर्ष वयांची व्यक्ती किंवा किशोरवयीन व्यक्ती यांनी केलेली प्रार्थना. या कवितेचा कवी आहे बाय जे मोर्स. दिस पोएम इज कंपोज्ड बाय जे मोर्स. Teenagers means the age group of 13 to 19. It is even called adolescence. Adolescence, which means a developing from a child into an adult age. In this poem, the poet prays the Almighty to show a right path to success. Here we see the first stanza of the poem. There are some difficult words in the first stanza. Teenagers, a person who is 13 to 19 years of age. 13 ते 19 वर्ष वयाची व्यक्ती. द सेकंड वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग्स म्हणजे सुरुवात करणे. डिसिजन्स म्हणजे निर्णय घेणे. चूज म्हणजे निवडणे. द रोड ऑफ लाईफ म्हणजे जीवनाचा मार्ग. डार्कन हिअर एविल अंधकारमय किंवा वाईट दिवस. डिस्ट्रेस मीन्स ग्रेट वरी and strained. See the first stanza of the poem. Each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. The first stanza of the poet is talking about each day brings new beginnings along with it. So at the beginning of each day I must make my own decision. There are different ways lying before me, but to choose the road on which to travel is slowly my responsibility. या पहिल्या स्टांजामध्ये कवी असं सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो की येणारा प्रत्येक दिवस हा काहीतरी नवीन घेऊन येत असतो. डिसिजन्स म्हणजे निर्णय. आय मस्ट मेक, त्यासाठी मलाच निर्णय घ्यायचा आहे. आय एम द ओनली वन टू चूज द रोड दॅट आय विल टेक. आणि माझ्या जीवनाचा मार्ग मलाच निवडायचा आहे असं कवी स्टांजा फर्स्ट मध्ये सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. In the second stanza, I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. I can choose म्हणजे मी माझ्या जीवनाचा मार्ग किंवा जीवनाचा रस्ता निवडू शकतो, पण तो रस्ता आपल्याला यशाकडे घेऊन जाणारा असावा. और ट्रॅव्हल डाऊन द डार्कन रोड, पण या मार्गाने यशाकडे जाण्याच्या मार्गाने प्रवास करताना आपल्याला वाईट दिवसाला तोंड द्यावं लागतं. दॅट लीड्स टू ग्रेट डिस्ट्रेस. पण जेव्हा आपण यशस्वी होत असतो तेव्हा आपल्याला असंख्य वेदना आणि दुःख यातना सहन कराव्या लागतात. हियर in the second stanza of the poet is explaining about from those different roads lying before me, there are some ways in front of me, but I have to choose the right path. I can choose the road of life that leads to great success, or else I can travel down the path of evil which leads to great worry and strain. See the third stanza of the poem. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Open up my eyes means डोळे उघडून पहा. माईट म्हणजे ल असण्याची शक्यता आहे. टेम्पटेशन, रॉंग विश टू डू समथिंग बॅड ऑर रॉंग, चुकीची गोष्ट करण्याचा मोह. टीनएजर्स मीन्स किशोरवय किंवा कुमारवय. The third stanza of the poem Teenagers, the poet is talking about the speaker of the poem, the teenagers, directly address the Almighty of God. Direct address to the Almighty of God, Lord. He requests the Lord to open up his eyes. He requests to God to open up his eyes so that he might see clearly. He also prays to God to help himself alone for what is right and to bring out the best in him. In the fourth stanza of the poem, help Lord to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. In the fourth stanza of the poem Teenagers, the speaker is talking about, the speaker goes on to seek God's help to enable him to say no when he is faced with situation where he may overcome by a strong desire. Do something bad or wrong. The speaker also prays for God's blessings so that he might keep his body clean and fit to face the challenges of life each day. In the last stanza of the poem, when my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. Here we explain the last stanza of the poem. The last stanza of the poem, the speaker concludes that by the time her teenage years are over, he will surely know the truth that the life lived very best is always the one which is lived under the constant guidance of Almighty God. With you walks next to me. In this poem there are total 5 stanzas. See what is the central idea of the poem. What is the central theme of the poem? See, the theme of the poem, the central idea of the poem is a teenager's dilemma. What does the word dilemma, which means a situation in which a difficult choice has to be made. We called him dilemma. About making the right decision, the responsibility of choice falls fully on him. A wrong decisions may ruin the whole life. Hence, the teenagers in the poem, the needs to pray for God's help and guidance. Why I like this poem? I like the poem for its clear and important message. As teenagers myself, I can very well relate to him. Very relevant message. तर पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 10वीची 1.1 अ टीनएजर्स प्रेयर ही पोएम अभ्यासलेली आहे. धन्यवाद.